Building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet refer to me as SupremeRumHam, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast, recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today is episode number 5, I think it is, of Not Another WordPress podcast. And in this episode, I will show you how to remove Powered by WordPress from the footer of your website. So I want to do this episode because all those Shopify episodes I've did, they always, like, those were my notes, right? So, and every time those were my notes from Twitter, and people would always talk about on Twitter, like, oh, remove Powered by Shopify. So I knew that WordPress does the same exact thing, so I thought I'd show you how to remove it, I guess. I don't know. Let's just do the episode. Yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. So it always starts at your dashboard. You're at your dashboard, right? So you're at your dashboard, and then you go to Appearance and Theme File Editor, and then it's a very short file. Mine's only 35 lines, so you just look for the word WordPress and Powered Proudly By, which mine is 19. It's printf, escape HTML, then proudly powered by WordPress. So I'm just going to delete this line. Okay, it's deleted. I'm going to update the file. And this is more complicated than it was before. I think, like, within the last 6 months, it was very easy to do this. You didn't have to go into the code and, like, change something. It's still updating. That's why I'm still talking. It previously used to be just like go to Appearance, Customize, and then there was a menu that popped out, and it would say, oh, do you want Powered by Shopify in your footer? If not, let us know. And I think I can even show you how it used to be before, because it's still loading. Yeah, let me check my personal WordPress website, see if that still is working. I know it's working, but okay, so you go to Appearance, then you go to Customize, and then, like, this little, it shows you the home page, and then it has this little menu, and it has, like, site identity, color, backgrounds, fonts, header image, and you can see Powered by WordPress at the bottom, and it gives you this little arrow, or this little, like, oh, edit button, and it says click to edit the footer, and then it takes you to site identity, and then it says default, but you can change it. On my personal website, I can't change it because it's not a business plan, but you can easily, it just says hide, and then in my case it says plan upgrade required. But that is not the case with this version of WordPress anymore. I think I'm at 6.2, or okay, and then unable to communicate back with the site to check for fatal errors, so the PHP change was reverted. You need to upload your PHP file by some other means using SFTP. Okay, so I'm going to reload. It's still okay. Line 19 is still there, so I'm just gonna try to delete the entire thing. See if that changes anything. Whoa, I deleted too much. Hold on. I'm just weird. Why is it like that? Oh, it's just like that. Okay. Updating file. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to do the same exact thing I did on my personal website and see if that pops up the same thing. It's still updating the file. Yep. Still updating. I'm still loading the original way to do it. It's still loading. Still loading both. I don't know what's going on now. But we're still loading. This is a episode of loading, apparently. Okay. I don't think I did anything wrong. It just doesn't like what I did in that. See, that's why I'm doing WordPress stuff, because simple things that shouldn't be giving problems are giving me problems. And see, I know what I'm doing, right? So, like, don't bother me. You hear me? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, this is... Okay, this is another... This is the website I was working on before, so let's try it here. So we go to Appearance, Editor, if that's what it is. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, it stopped loading. Okay. Site identity, and see the footer portion is gone. So, yeah, I don't know how to get rid of it other than changing the code. So yeah, because they don't give you an option. There's no way to like click on it and be like, hey, let me change my website. Yeah. Actually, hold on. I've all edited these websites, so let's see if I spin up a new instance and if anything changes. Okay, so I spun up a new instance, and the footer can be removed if you just edit it like a normal like a normal WordPress site. You just go to the block and then you delete the footer, right? So I want to save that. Okay. But does that work for every page? Like, is it removed for every page? Let's find out. So that's the home page, the sample page. Oh, so it's still on the privacy policy page, which is the only one I have access to right now, since this is a new instance and I haven't messed with it. And it doesn't show up for me to delete it. Okay. So that was edit site. Now I'm gonna edit page. Okay, it doesn't give me the option to remove it. Okay, interesting. Okay, let me create a new page and see if that does anything. Page, test page, choose a block. Let's see, header, test header. Okay, I'm going to publish this, and let's view it. So it still says powered by WordPress. So edit site. It's still not on the home page. Okay. Let's go to Appearance, Customize, Nope, no option. Templates. Templates. No template parts. Header, footer. Oh, okay. So this is how you do it. Okay. So in the new WordPress, this is how you remove Powered by WordPress. You go to Appearance. You go to Editor. You click on the WordPress logo again, and a menu will pop out, and it says Editor, Templates, Template Parts. You go to Template Parts, you click on Footer, and then you remove the footer, remove paragraph, remove, let me insert something else. How about that? Paragraph. And I'm going to put a header, and it's going to say SupremeRumHam. And we're going to save it. Okay. Now let's check every page and see what that looks like. So pages, privacy policy. I'm going to view that page. And yeah, it just says SupremeRumHam at the bottom. So that checks out. Then the sample page was the one we were given, and it says SupremeRumHam. So that is how you remove the Powered by WordPress footer in the page in the old version of WordPress and the latest version of WordPress. Thank you for listening. I've been teasing the fact that I was going to show you how to import products into WordPress from other e-commerce platforms. So hopefully I will do that soon. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.